Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and change text color in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded or installed, what you can do is go to the official Adobe website right here, adobe.com/acrobat, and open up the product section. From where you can find Adobe Acrobat and get started with downloading it. So once you've downloaded and installed the program and open it up, this is going to be the home page from where you're going to go and be able to see the recommended tools for each section, from where you're going to have the edit a PDF option. So this is going to enable you to modify or add your text. So as you can see, once you click on it, you can take a look that you cannot use this with the free version of the application. You're going to need either Acrobat Pro or the free trial that is offered to you. This is needed to be able to edit your PDF documents. But once you've gotten that, now we can get started following the step-by-step article right here in the official Adobe community on changing text coloring. Here we have an answer on somebody that we can follow step by step on clicking the select arrow in the menu bar, then right clicking from the pop-up menu, choosing properties and choosing appearance, and this should allow you to change the font color and the fonts used. But basically you can go ahead into the official forums right here, find any similar article like this one, follow it step by step using the edit option right here, and get started doing so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.